Okay, so you mentioned SBA. Can you tell us more about SBA? Because I think it's misunderstood out there in the marketplace as an entrepreneur. Can we talk about the SBA loans and how they work and just give us a better understanding?
Sure. So first of all, let's be clear that the SBA stands for Small Business Administration, and that is a government program to encourage banks and some non-bank lenders to make riskier loans than they otherwise would to small businesses in the United States. There may well be people here from other countries, and your countries might have programs that are similar. I'm just not an expert on them. So we're going to focus on the United States. And I want to talk about the three biggest myths about the SBA. One area that people get caught up is thinking that the SBA lends money, and that's not the case. The SBA is a guarantee program that encourages these banks to make riskier loans. So you're not borrowing money from the government. You're still borrowing money from your lender, and that lender has some form of guarantee from the government on getting repaid should you default on the loan. So that's the first thing to understand. The second question is who's eligible for an SBA loan? Sometimes people get stuck on the word small and they think, oh, that's just for the tiny mom and pop shop or the little flower shop down the street. And it is, but it's also for more than that. SBA loans, any individual is up to, if you have the cash flow and the credit to qualify for it, eligible for up to $5 million of capital for partner buyouts or acquiring a business or working capital. And if it's a real estate and equipment project, you can get up to $12.8 million. So you can do some substantial programs with the SBA. The third myth is that my banker didn't tell me about the SBA or told me I wasn't eligible for it, so you feel like you're automatically disqualified. And that's not the truth. If one banker told you you're out, go talk to another one. Go kiss a number of frogs looking for a prince. You don't want to just assume that what one banker told you is out. There are 2,200 banks and non-bank lenders around the country who do the SBA, although there really are only about 100 who know what they're doing, and each of them uses the program a little bit differently.